Hello everyone, this is Technology Consultant channel and I'm Sam. Here we are with another video. In this video we'll teach you how to assemble and install a ring light on tripod stand with phone holder. So we have just purchased a new tripod and ring light. So let's start. So first of all we'll open our tripod. So here is our tripod. At the top you can see two adjustment locks. With these two locks you can adjust the height of tripod. Now I'll show you the tripod height. Here you can see. Now we'll unbox the ring light and show you how to assemble the ring light. Once you will open the ring light, inside the ring light you will find a mobile holder, and second thing, at the bottom you have to place the tripod adjuster. You have to place the mobile phone holder in the middle of ring light, and the last thing, you have to place this ring light holder. After assembling the ring light, now you have to go to tripod, and at the top of tripod you will see a plastic cover. You have to remove it, and under this plastic cover you will find the screw, and you have to place the ring light on this screw. So we'll adjust our ring light on this screw, and here is our tripod and ring light final look. Now you need any Android mobile phone charger, so we'll connect the ring light USB cable to this charger. With ring light wire you will find the pair. You can turn on the light and you can change the colors of light with these. Now we'll turn on our ring light, reduce the light, and here you can see again we'll reduce the light, and now we'll change the color of the light. With this ring light you will get 3 colors. So this is how you can also assemble, install ring light on tripod stand with phone holder. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel for more useful videos.